In a world where precision, speed, and reliability matter more than ever, American industries need partners they can count on. At U.S. Fastener Import and Trading Company, we bridge the gap between American demand and global supply, sourcing industrial fasteners and specialty hardware from top-tier manufacturers around the world. Whether it's aerospace, marine, EV, or heavy industry, we deliver high-performance components with factory direct pricing, coordinated logistics, and dependable lead times. No inventory, no overhead, just results. We represent your needs, sourcing smarter, shipping faster, and helping your business stay competitive. U.S. Fastener Import and Trading Company, your sourcing bridge to the global fastener market.